Hello, everyone. I want to provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to make a tea tree oil and honey mixture to treat acne. Please follow the instructions. Bowl 1. Make sure you have a clean and dry face before you start. 2. Mix together a teaspoon of tea tree oil and a teaspoon of pure honey. 3. Gently apply the mixture on the pimples with your fingertips or a clean cloth. 4. Leave the mixture on your acne for 15–20 minutes. 5. In the end, rinse your face with lukewarm water to remove the mask. 6. It is recommended to do this treatment twice a week for better results. Please note that tea tree oil has significant benefits for acne, but it is essential to use it correctly and in moderation. If you experience any adverse reactions or allergic reactions, stop using the product immediately and consult a healthcare professional.